So who are you and what do you do on the web?
My name is Len Edgerly, and I do a weekly podcast about the Kindle, which is thekindlechronicles.com, and it's just tech tips and interviews about the Kindle.
And what is your favorite web app?
I'd say Libsyn.com, Libsyn. That's where I host my audio for the podcast, and I have a show notes page, which is a WordPress blog. But I really like the way Libsyn reports statistics to me on hits for the downloads for the podcast, and I can see bar graphs and numbers and where people are coming from. So it's something I can understand, and it's been rock solid. I've never had it let me down.
So are you paying for it? And if so, around how much does it cost?
I think I'm paying for it's maybe $10 a month. I have enough so that I can put pretty good size, and the payment doesn't depend on how many people download the podcast. It's just how much material I'm putting up on their server. So that's kind of an encouraging thing, because if the podcast gets hugely successful, I'm not going to be paying any more than what I'm paying a month.
So I'm going to put you on the spot. Tell me your podcasting setup.
Okay, I record with a snowball microphone usually into GarageBand when I'm doing my voiceovers and the tech tips, the things that I do myself. And when I'm recording an interview on the phone, I use Skype, and I've got I think it's it's the call recorder add-on for Skype. And I usually try to have the person I'm interviewing use a landline so that I've got pretty predictable quality on their end, and that makes a nice recording. If they've got good Skype and I know they're on an Ethernet, then I'll use Skype both ways, but it works out pretty well.
All right, thanks for those extra pieces of information.